Hi, I'm Jay from Real Street Performance. We're working with two local charities offering a chance to win a 2021 Can-Am. They're going to come in and talk to you about what they do, who they help, and how you can win.
Hi, I'm Mary Ryan, and I'm the COO with SafeHouse of Seminole.
And I'm Brendan Scarpa, and I'm the Invest Coordinator with SafeHouse of Seminole.
SafeHouse is a nonprofit organization that provides services to survivors of domestic violence. SafeHouse was founded in 1995, and in 2007 opened a brand new campus-style housing unit. We have over 300 women and children that walk through our doors each and every year, with somewhere between 800 to 1,000 that we serve on an outreach basis as well.
My role with SafeHouse is with the outreach program. I work at the State Attorney's Office, and I have a partnership with the Sheriff's Office and the other city agencies to read and review all of the police reports that happen in Seminole County. We identify the ones that are high risk, and then we actually reach out to them as opposed to waiting for them to reach out to us. Some of the services that we provide are helping them out throughout the criminal case, safety planning, getting them in touch with other local resources, and also working in conjunction with the shelter.
Hi, I am Nicole Smith. I am the founder of Further Fight. Further Fight was founded in 2019. It is a woman-owned and operated organization. We raise funds and awareness for different charities and nonprofits, from galas to music festivals to golf tournaments. We try to bring awareness and help those survivors in need. Putting for Peace is the first annual charity golf tournament for SafeHouse. We are excited to raise funds and bring awareness for the survivors of domestic violence. The proceeds for this tournament go towards the new mental health program that began this year in 2022. We are so excited to be here with our hole-in-one sponsor, Real Street Performance. We have an awesome hole-in-one prize, a 2021 Can-Am, and here's Clay to speak more about it.
Let's take a look at the prize that you might win if you get a hole-in-one. Behind me we've got a Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo RR. It's a 2021, and it's modified exactly the way that we would want it if it was our own personal vehicle. Up front, the entire front suspension is reinforced with an HCR gusset kit and shock tower support. We've also got the upgraded HCR front control arms, upper and lower. The wheels are KMC beadlock grenades, black on black, with System 3 35-inch tires. The front bumper, mirrors, and door skins are from Assault Industries, and we have a full light package from Rigid. The cage and roof are from LSK. Inside we've got a full PCI race radio setup and intercom, so you can communicate with your passenger or people in other vehicles through a headset or a helmet. We've also got the clean air system from PCI that will put fresh air into your helmet as you're riding. All of the electronics, like the PCI race radio, the clean air system, and the lights, are controlled by a Switch Pros switch panel that's on the Assault Industries steering wheel with a quick disconnect from Assault Industries as well. And for navigation, we have a Lowrance HDS7. Finally out back, we've got the Rigid chase light, HCR control arms, HCR radius rods, Assault Industries radius rod bracket, and ZRP dog bones. The Turbo RR is already the fastest model that Can-Am offers, so we didn't put a lot of modifications into the engine. We wanted to keep it super reliable. You can go out all day, have fun, explore, get lost, find your way back, and not have to worry about any reliability issues. All of the modifications on this vehicle are to improve the riding quality and to make it safer. So a lot of the weak points that were there from the factory that people found when they started riding it hard have been replaced. The radio and the clean air system really improve the riding quality, and the lighting really helps increase visibility of what you can see and other people seeing you if you're riding in low light conditions.
Real Street is excited to support this charity, and if you're local or willing to travel, October 24th, come out and take your shot to win the Can-Am.